on the demand of parents, teachers, as well as children. I thought of starting some videos on the English sentence structures, which will give us more opportunity for oral drill and practice. So this can help different people in different ways. For parents, to train the children in home, parents can sit with the children, see the video and make them to take the drill. That way parents can use this. Teachers can use it in the classroom, maybe twice in a week or thrice in a week. For 5 minutes it will take. So that to begin the class, one can start with this sentence structure practice, the drill. Then they can go to their regular lessons. For children, the main idea of this video is for the children to have the self-practice. By seeing the video, they can do self-practice. So I will today demonstrate how these tables can be used for generating more number of sentences. By which what happens is, the sentence structure and the grammar will get internalized, so that when we speak, we need not be conscious about the grammar. Because if we ask children or anybody who wants to learn English, wants to speak in English, one of the main reasons they give is that they have got a shyness of committing mistakes. So this practicing of this drill, oral drill, the sentence pattern, structure, substitution table, the inhibition will go and the confidence will come. So let us start with the simplest structure of today, only a subject and a verb pattern. So first I will go with this table. Some places I will tell you that you should repeat. That means I will read, give a pass, and children you have to repeat. Then I will give some more examples of repetition and drill. So I eat, you eat, we eat, they eat, the students play. I listen, you listen, we listen, they listen, the students listen. See, here you see, there is the first form of the verb only is coming here. Whereas when it comes to this pattern, what we call as third person singulars, the verb will take s or es in the spelling. See here. So this is a major mistake that we commit. When we say he listened, it's not correct. He listens, she listens, the boy listens, the lady listens, the teacher listens, she listens, she likes, she wants, she helps, she guides, the boy listens, the boy likes, the boy wants, the boy helps, the teacher guides me. Come to this one, the negative form. This is when we say I eat apple, you eat breakfast, we eat bananas. So extension of sentence can be this. Question, when we ask questions in this, you see, do I eat? Do you eat? Do we play? Do they sing? Do they eat? Do I listen? Do you listen? Do we listen? Do they listen? So any number of verbs can be put in this place, and the substitution as well as construction of more number of sentences can be practiced by you. Now come to this, he listens, he does not listen. She listens, she does not listen. Now repeat with me. Repeat with me now. He listens, he does not listen. She likes, she does not like. The boy wants, the boy does not want. The lady helps, the lady doesn't help. The teacher guides. The teacher does not guide. He doesn't listen. He does not fight. He doesn't obey. He doesn't help. He doesn't treat. He doesn't guide. The lady doesn't listen. The lady doesn't fight. The lady doesn't obey. The child doesn't help. Ram does not treat. Arun doesn't guide. Here, this he you can substitute with any male name. Any of your friends' name you can substitute. It can be Ajit. Ajit doesn't listen. Ajit listens. Ajit does not listen. Radhika. Radhika fights. Radhika doesn't fight. Like that. So, this is the way you have to practice. Take this with the verb and see now here we have 1, 2, 3, 5, then here we have some 6, and then here we have some more verbs, and here we have some more verbs. So in the same pattern we have used almost 20 to 25 sentences now. Now I will give you some more examples. What I am going to do is that I will write some words on the blackboard now, and we will put the same pattern. I will read first, then give a pause to you. During that time you repeat with me. Then I will tell you that how you should generate more number of sentences.
Children, now we will practice with the help of more number of verbs. I will read, then I will pause. During that time you repeat the sentence. I play, I sing, I cut, I dance, I write, I don't play, do I play, I don't sing, do I sing, I don't cut, do I cut, they don't dance, do they dance, we don't write, do we write, we read, do we read, they like, do they like, they want, they don't want, they swim, they don't swim, we teach, we don't teach, we learn, we don't learn, I speak English, I don't speak German, I meet, I don't meet, I go, I don't go, they act, they don't act. Now let us use it with he, she and singular nouns. He plays, he doesn't play. He plays violin, he doesn't play piano. She sings, she doesn't sing. He cuts, he doesn't cut. The boy dances, the boy doesn't dance. The lady writes, the lady does not write. Does he read? Does my friend like? The doctor wants, the doctor doesn't want. My brother swims, my brother does not swim. Does he teaches, he does not teach. He learns, he doesn't learn. My mother speaks, my mother doesn't speak. My teacher meets, my teacher doesn't meet. My friend goes, does my friend go? My sister acts, does my sister act? My sister does not act. Like that, some more verbs I have written, for example, on the right side, like try, smell, buy, carry, call, etc. you can one more example I will give you, and then you can put any verb, action word you want, and you start repeating it this way and take the drill of it. For example, we will take buy for example. So, you should say like this now: I buy, you buy, we buy, they buy, the students buy. He buys, she buys, the boy buys, the lady buys, the doctor buys, the teacher buys. Does he buy? Does she buy? Does the boy buy? Does the lady buy? Does the doctor buy? Does the teacher buy? The teacher doesn't buy. The lady does not buy. He doesn't buy, like that. So that this way you can generate more number of sentences and grammar will become correct for you. So, let us start with this practice material number 1. We will move to some more structures slowly, so that we will cover all the structures from the simple to complex one, easy to difficult one, and as much practice as you do on this, your fluency will increase and you will not hesitate to speak. So, you may see in a month or 2 there is a change in your pronunciation, there is a change in your grammar, and there is a change in your attitude of speaking in English also. Thank you.